Hi everyone, in this video I'll be sharing my 3-day trip to Switzerland. This was my first time visiting Switzerland, and my trip mainly revolved around Interlaken. I visited Spiez, Thun, Brienz, Vingen and Lauterbrunnen, and I also took boat trips on Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. In addition, I took the cable car up Mount first and tried some fun activities, like the mountain karting and trotter bike. I'll share more details in the video. By the way, I am not a native English speaker, so please leave a comment if I have expressed anything incorrectly. My first day began with a stroll through Interlaken. I walked from Interlaken OST station towards Hooreweg Street. The street was lined with colorful houses, their architectural style completely different from my home country. The name Interlaken literally means between two lakes, referring to Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. This city, nestled in the heart of the Bernese Oberland, is like a living postcard. Crossing the street, you'll come to a meadow, which is very quiet in the morning. As I wandered, something magical happened. Paragliders started landing in the meadow right beside me. Interlaken is the adventure capital of Europe. The paragliders just glide down from the Alps with snow-capped peaks in the background. That is so cool. If you'd like to try it, remember to book in advance. Next, I followed the Eiger River, which cuts through Interlaken like a turquoise ribbon. This river is insanely clean. Locals even swim in it. It originates from the Obaro Glacier and flows 295 kilometers before joining the Rhine. Walking its banks, I passed storybook gardens where homeowners lounged with books and coffee. Got lucky with the weather during my riverside stroll this morning. Sun on my face but not too hot, that perfect kind of cozy where you just grin at nobody in particular. I strolled back and forth here for a while and took many photos and videos. Saw a couple of joggers and cyclists nodding hello. Everyone seemed to be enjoying it. After exploring Interlaken for several hours, I went back to Interlaken OST station and caught the local train to Spiez, exactly the kind of chill commute where you don't even need headphones. The rhythm of the tracks and those postcard-perfect views rolling by are entertainment enough. After arriving at Spiez station, walk downhill and you'll reach Lake Thun. I don't know if these boats offer tours. If you've experienced it, please share your experience. Spiez is this hidden gem on Lake Thun, surrounded by vineyards and crowned by a 12th century medieval castle. The castle's tower offers panoramic views of the lake and the Niesen mountain, nicknamed the Swiss Pyramid for its perfect triangular shape. In the afternoon, I returned to Interlaken for a lake cruise to Brienz. Alternatively, you can continue west from Spiez to Thun. If you have a Swiss travel pass, both train and cruise trips are included. The cruise runs every 1 to 2 hours, and the pier is right next to Interlaken OST station. You can check the timetable on the official website in advance to plan your trip. The cruise ship makes many stops along the way. The journey from Interlaken to Brienz takes about 1.5 hours. Sailing Lake Brienz felt like gliding through liquid emerald. The water's color comes from glacial minerals, and the cliffs around it are dotted with waterfalls. Brienz itself is a time capsule. Known as the wood carving village, its workshops have crafted intricate sculptures since the 1800s. Even the train station has carved wooden benches. The pastel-painted houses along the shore are part of a UNESCO-protected heritage site. And the Brienz-Rothorn Railway, a 130-year-old steam train, still chugs up the mountains here. I ended the day by the lake, watching the sunset paint the sky in peach and lavender hues. The Alps turned golden, church bells echoed in the distance, and I finally understood why Switzerland is called heaven on earth. Regarding accommodation, I stayed at a youth hostel next to Interlaken station for the first night. It's very close to the train station and suitable for people on a budget to spend one night here. In the next video, I'll share my experience visiting First Mountain in Grindelwald, including how to buy tickets and take the cable car. Thanks for watching.